This is Vegas Pro 18, and the question is, if I have these two clips on a timeline, then how do I send one clip back and bring the other one to the foreground? Well, one thing is to create another track. Let's say right click on empty area and insert video track, and whichever is on the top, that one is shown. That one is visible. So this is like viewing from the top, and first you see this, and which is below you cannot see that one. Okay, and if I move that one there and this below, then viewing from the top I can see the video, but I cannot see this orange. Okay, another weird thing is if this one is smaller in length compared to that one, if I bring it there, then this one is on top and the orange is visible. And if I make this one longer and move it there, then interesting, but the video is shown, not the orange. So which one is shorter? That one is visible. Shorter on top and it's visible.